Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to add a left click fire button on BlueStacks 5. For adding a left click fire button, follows the simple step. Open RAM settings, control editor, launch BlueStacks 5, then go to the control editor bar, choose a control to add it. In the editor, choose tab sort, then set the fire button to the left click, adjust the size and position, resize the fire button, place it exactly over the RAM fire button, then go to the save your control stream, enable in RAM custom hub, open in RAM setting, enable custom hub, adjust button size and position. Then firstly test in training round, go to the train mode, test the left click fire button, adjust position or size if need, and it's simply done. Left your click fire button is now already done. Enjoy better aim and faster reaction. You can also use these compatibility settings with all this RAM, Free Fire, PUBG, COD and Apex Legend Mobile. Best practice is use left click for fire and right click for aim. Keep the fire button is an easy to reach area. Avoid placing it too close to other button. Use a good mouse for better accuracy. If you need any help or customer support, you can also go to their official website